Good morning and welcome to this video tutorial of MCX SureGain. My name is Parveen Rana and today we are going to see how the robot trading will work for Indian markets. So friends, first of all we require three things to use automatic trading. First one is our trading terminal. Right now in my machine you can see I am using Nest trading terminal. You can use Nest, Odin now or any Indian market trading terminal. So second thing is our robot bridge. This is our robot bridge. I will tell you about the functionalities and feature later. First of all, I am going to show you all the things which we use in robot trading. Another thing is, third thing is MetaTrader 4 platform. Basically MetaTrader 4 platform we can use for trading purpose in forex market, or we can use the terminal for the charting in Indian markets as well, but this time we are using this software for automatic trading. Okay, so what are the steps we need to use that I'm going to tell you now. First thing is, first of all we need to it is a step 1. In that we need to open our Nest terminal. Okay, so first of all it's already open. You can open in your machine. Second thing is we have to open robot bridge. In robot bridge we are having two options. One is OK and second one is register. So if you are not registered with us, first of all you need to register and you need to click on the button, and then you can fill the form and submit. Once you submit, it will say you that congratulations, your account has been activated successfully. So now already we are registered, so we will go for login. Okay, now I'm going to log in it. After putting the credentials, we need to click on OK. So once I click on OK, another window will open. You can see the window is going to open. It takes actually some time to open. So now the window is open. Okay, then third step is we need to open MetaTrader 4 and we need to set up the symbols in which we are going to trade. For an example, suppose we are going to trade in MCX Copper and NSE Nifty. So first of all we need to right click on the symbol and then go to chart window. Once we go to chart window, a chart will open like that. Thereafter we need to put the indicator. We are having 4 indicators for auto trading. You can see the 4 indicators are there. One is Elite Trading, another is Heiken Ashi, then moving average, crossover and super trend. So now I'm going to use super trend in that particular symbol. Once you open the indicator, in the input section you will get some informations, okay, which you need to make correct if you want to change the things. Like suppose first thing is stop loss on. If you want to put stop loss, then you need to make it true. Same thing in take profit. If you want to take profit, you need to click on true. Third thing is profit and loss in percentage. If you want to give the profit and loss in percentage, you can make it true. If you want to keep it in points only, you need to make it false. Then another option is SLTP type manual. It is true. That means we are going to put stop loss and target manually in the sense in that particular window we need to put it. Another thing is if we make it false, that means SLTP manual, it's not manual. If we make it automated, then auto take profit is target 1. Whenever the target 1 will come, it will automatically exit from the trade and wait for the next trade as well. So now our stop loss and take profit is on, so we can put the top profit point. Suppose if we want 1 point in copper, we need to type 100, and if we want 50 paisa or 1 point in target, that means if we want to put 1:1 ratio in a profit and loss, we can make it 100, and then we can click on OK. Once we click on OK, our chart window will look like this. Okay, so then we can change the parameter accordingly. Like in copper, 15-minute parameter is good to trade. Okay, so now it is a 15-minute parameter, and the chart already yesterday it has given a sell signal and it is going in profit. Target 1 already achieved, you can see in the chart as well. So once we put this, thereafter we can take one more chart. Like suppose we want a Nifty as well, so we can click on Nifty chart window, right click and then chart window, then we can go to this indicator. Okay, in the indicator section we need to do same things whatever we did earlier. Suppose in Nifty we don't want stop loss and target, we want to go arrow to arrow. So that means whenever the buy arrow will come we will buy, and whenever the sell arrow will come we will sell. And in that we are giving target of 10 points like 1000, and stop loss of 10 points as well. Okay, sorry, we are not giving stop loss and target in that case, no. So it doesn't matter whatever with the target and stop loss it will be, it will go arrow to arrow. Whenever the buy will come it will buy, whenever the sell will come it will sell. Whatever the first signal will come, it will do trading in a single lot, and thereafter it will do in double lot. Means it will square off your one position and it will take new position as well. So then we can click on OK. Now we have clicked on OK, and this chart will also become like the same chart earlier we have seen. You can see this is the Nifty chart. Okay, and in Nifty also already given target 1 and moving towards target 2. So suppose only two charts we want to use in auto trading, then we can minimize it's uh, the task which we have to do in MetaTrader is already done, so we can minimize it, and then we can open our robot. In our robot, first of all we need to select the terminal which we are using. If we are using Odin, we need to click on Odin. If we are using Nest, we need to click on Nest. Thereafter we need to click on the purple button, detect signal from MT4. If we click on detect signal from MT4, it will show us the symbols which we have used in the chart window. There are two symbols which we have used, it is coming on the chart this window. So then we can select both symbols, and then if we don't want to trade on terminal, if we want to test it that whether the trade is going or not, we need to click on debug mode. So if we click on debug mode, what will happen is whenever the signal will come, it will push the order to Nest, but on the submit button it will stop. That means it will not submit the order, and we can easily check whether it is going to trade or not. So now we are going to test in the debug mode only. And now it's very hard, you can see, as it is very hard to come a reverse signal during the period of the tutorial video. So what we can do is we can put a silver chart. Okay, and we can give 1 minute time frame into that, and also we will do some fast parameters. We will set some fast parameters into that. I have set it some fast parameter in that, so that once we open it will give a signal within 1 or 2 minutes. So now we can watch it for some time, so that it will produce early signals, and then we will be able to see that how the robot will work once the trade will come. You can see the sell arrow is coming. Meanwhile I'm gonna set this. First of all, I need to click on detect signal from MetaTrader 4 MT4, detect signal from MT4 purple button, because we have put a new chart in the chart window of MetaTrader 4. I have clicked. Now it is showing the silver. I need to click on silver as well. Now I have clicked. Now I have clicked all three. Now I need to click on bridge on. I have clicked on bridge on. Now let's see what will happen. This is the chart is moving. Whenever the sell arrow will come, like sell arrow is coming, and whenever it completes the 1 minute time frame candle, it will automatically push the order. Okay, we need to see that how it will push the order. You can watch till the arrow comes. Yes, you can see now it has flushed the order, but it stop on submit because we have clicked on debug mode. If we remove the debug mode, it will automatically take the trade into terminal. You can see that in the history as well, it is coming that sell signal in nest success and confirmation from nest is failure because the trade has not taken place. So this was the demonstration of automatic trading. If you have any strategy of your own, we can build the strategy with a nominal strategy development charge. And if you want to do automatic trading, you can go to our website. Our website is www.mcxsuregain.com. Once you visit our website, thereafter you can get more and more things over there. Are you can see many other uh, services are there which you can use. And now in next video tutorial I will come up with fresh new things. Meanwhile, bye bye, take care.